In a crushing setback for President Donald Trump, the Supreme Court on Friday rejected a long-shot lawsuit filed by Texas and backed by Trump to throw out election results in 4 states. The justices, in a brief order, said Texas did not have legal standing to bring the claim, which asked that the voting results in Georgia, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin be thrown out. The unsigned order read, quote, "Texas has not demonstrated a judicially cognizable interest in the manner in which another state conducts its elections." A Biden spokesman said it was no surprise the High Court rejected baseless attempts to deny Trump lost the election. The White House did not immediately respond. The lawsuit alleged changes to voting procedures removed protections against fraud and were unlawful. It was filed on Tuesday by the Republican Attorney General of Texas, a Trump ally. A day later, Trump filed a motion to intervene and become a plaintiff. Then, the 4 states, in a filing with the court on Thursday, asked the justices to reject the lawsuit, which they said had no factual or legal grounds. Legal experts agreed the lawsuit had little chance of succeeding. Despite the president's baseless allegations of a rigged voting system, Trump's lawyers and his allies have failed to present, in any recent court challenge, evidence of the type of fraud Trump alleges.